All right, so this is me after washing hair. This little turban over here is a little wrap that I got from Amazon. Everything will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. All right, I am using only 2 products actually. So this is the first one. It's Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and has argan oil, sunflower seed oil. It's just really great for the hair. So I'm only going to use it the bottom of my hair, a couple of sprays, and this. It's literally a little bit goes a long way. So I'm only using a little bit. And then with a wet brush, just brushing this out. And done. The next product, and the second and only product I'm using, is this Aquage Mousse for the hair, just to provide a little bit of texture and lift. I feel like my hair does get to stay more styled a little bit longer. So I actually got a little mini version because it lasts so long that the old bottle actually, the tip broke. But I do like this particular brand. It smells great. So I'm gonna shake it. Oh, I'm gonna put the top down. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Very, very little foam. And I like this little tip. You're supposed to put it on the root, but I did that one time and it was way too much. So I'm gonna rub it in my fingers, run my fingers through the hair at the root. Done. That's it. Next, I'm going to use the Dyson hair dryer. So my hair is so thin, I literally need to run this. They say to dry your hair 80 to 85%. I need to run this literally, my baby, 30 seconds, and that's it. That was it. That wasn't long at all. I'm going to change the tip. So I'm changing the tip to this round head. And then just finish it off. I use medium heat and medium blow velocity. And done. So I think you'd notice I am drying and styling at the same time the hair. It is literally the quickest, fastest way to do that. I feel like this is such a mom look because I don't have the time, and a lot of us just don't have it, and this would be a look that applies across the board to, I think, a majority of us. And this is a good day. It's a good day when I get to dry my hair and wash it and not just come up with, you know, a ponytail or whatever the case is. So yes, I hope you, you know, enjoyed it, and it's kind of fun to watch a little bit. This was very, very quick. So I want to say the whole process is under 5 minutes. and I try to be as efficient as I can with my time. The goal here is to look put together and clean, you know, nice clean look. It's not supposed to be fancy, and it's not about the hairstyle, it's not about the look as an actual, you know, styling model for the hair. You just don't want the hair to look bad. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for watching. And for more inspiration and styling, follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.